Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Cascade dashboard. From here, navigate to the CWU website by clicking on the side dropdown in the top left corner and select CWU. Once you have selected CWU as your website, use the left-hand column to navigate to the directory folder. The directory folder is inside About, Directory, and from here, navigate to your department's folder. You can expand the left column if you can't see the entire name of the folder. I'm going to select Web Services as my department's folder. Inside your department's directory folder, find a file named after the faculty or staff member that you want to update. When the page loads, click Edit and scroll down to the Department and Programs section. Then, find the program that you wish to tag the faculty member to and check the box next to it. This determines where the profile will appear on your department or programs page. For example, if I want to tag myself as being in the ethics lab program, I would check on the box next to ethics lab. Checking on the box will automatically jump you back to the top of these checkboxes. To confirm that the checkbox has been applied, scroll down and verify that the checkbox has been checked and is present. Review your draft by clicking on Preview Draft in the upper right corner of the edit screen. Then click Submit. Add a version comment. And click Start Workflow.